And so for number 3, they've given you this triangle again. We're going to graph the figure and graph the image after a clockwise rotation of 90 degrees about the origin. So this is like what we looked at the very beginning of the hour. Okay? Now our rotation point is the origin, 0, 0. We then have to give the coordinates at the end as well. We're again looking for patterns. We're looking for patterns. So 90 degrees clockwise, everything's in quadrant 2. So what quadrant is the whole shape going to end up in if we're rotating it clockwise 90 degrees? What quadrant is it going to end up in? 1, because it's a quarter of a turn. Since the whole shape's in one quadrant, the whole shape it's in quadrant 2, the whole resulting shape has to end up in quadrant 1. Let's start with L. It is 2 spaces this way and 1 space this way. So if I take that and rotate it, if I take this and I rotate it, where does L prime end up? Because that would have to stay there, so it would turn it up. Where does L prime end up? Yes. L prime will be at 1, 2. I'm with you, Mrs. Smith, or help me out on L. Andy's all over this today. Can I move on to the next one? Yes or no? I'm good?
Yeah.
Let's look at K. K is 1 space from the point of rotation over and 3 up. If I take that box and rotate it by keeping the corner here at the origin. Oh, sorry, my head got in the way. My bad. Where does K prime go? So it's 1 and 3. It rotates. It's 3 and 1. Where does K prime end up?
1 and 3.
1 and 3 is way up here. That's not where my box is. Nope. Someone said it over there. It's 3 and 1. It's got to be in the same corresponding corner. K prime is 3 and 1. Can you do J prime on your own?
Yeah.
Do J prime. Where does that one go? J prime is 4 and 4. Or I'm sorry, J is 4 and 4. So where does J prime have to be? 4 and 4. You have to connect the dots. What do you notice about the points? Look at L and L prime. Look at K and K prime. Look at J and J prime. Are you starting to see a pattern in the X and the Y numbers? Your task is to finish 4, just number 4 for homework.